The big boom of AI is here. Whoever learns it will earn from it. Welcome back to Writecream AI channel, your go-to place for learning AI, mastering tools and turning knowledge into income. If you are in the USA right now or anywhere in the world and you have been wondering how can AI help you start freelancing, run a business or earn some extra cash, and today I will show you exactly how. The world has changed. In 2025, AI isn't a buzzword anymore. It's like electricity powering businesses, startups, freelancers, and even students. Think about it. Every business needs content. Every startup needs marketing. Every freelancer needs to drive faster results. And guess what? AI tools like Writecream AI makes all of that possible in just seconds. The formula is simple. Learn AI, apply AI, earn with AI. Whoever learns will earn. Let's talk about one of the most powerful AI tools right here, that is Writecream AI. Here's exactly how to use it. Step 1. Go to writecream.com and create your free account. Step 2. Once you're inside the dashboard, you will see a library of AI tools, blog writers, YouTube script writers, ad copy generators, email creators, and more. Step 3. Choose a tool you need. For example, if you need a blog, click on AI Blog Writer. Step 4. Type in your topic, add a few details, and hit generate. Step 5. In seconds, Writecream gives you a full article, video script, and ad copy ready to use. And here's the coolest part. Writecream even has an AI humanizer tool. That means the content it generates sounds natural, passes AI detectors, and feels 100% human. So why choose Writecream AI over other tools? Pocket friendly. Instead of paying $1,000 to writers and agencies, you get unlimited content for a fraction of the cost. Perfect for freelancers, startups, or small businesses. Easy to use. No tech skills required. Just type the idea and click generate. Writecream does the hard work for you. Time saving. What normally takes 5 hours to write, Writecream does it in 5 minutes. Versatile, one platform that does everything. Blogs, YouTube scripts, ads, emails, captions, product descriptions, you name it. It's like having a 24/7 personal writing assistant, but at the cost of a coffee a day. Now let's talk about how you can turn Writecream into income. First, freelancing. On Fiverr and Upwork, people pay for blogs, ad copy, and script. Writecream helps you deliver fast, take on more clients, and increase your income. Start your own agency. Offer AI-powered content creation services to local businesses like gyms, real estate, or e-commerce stores. You use Writecream to generate content and you keep the profit. Affiliate marketing and blogging. Use Writecream to generate SEO-optimized blogs, rank them on Google, and monetize through affiliate links and ads. Business automation. If you already own a business, automate your product descriptions, email campaigns, and social media with Writecream. More content, less effort. Here's the truth. AI isn't to replace you, it's here to empower you. The only people who will lose are the ones who refuse to learn it. But if you start learning and applying AI today, you will be ahead of 90% of the people. You have skills every business desperately needs, and you will create endless income opportunities for yourself. The big boom of AI is here, and whoever learns it will earn from it. So if you're here to start your AI journey, head over to writecream.com today. I have dropped the link in the description. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to Writecream AI, and follow us for weekly tutorials on how to use AI to grow your income and business. With Writecream, you don't just have to save time and money, you open the door to freelancing, business automation, and financial freedom. This is your host from Writecream AI signing off. See you in the next video.